Hello people, it's Azan here. Welcome back to Decremis, the place where we will show you some hidden gems in the crypto world. So following this idea, I have brought you a new ICO project named as Internet Computer. So let's get started. So what is the Internet Computer? 4 days after launch and ICB hits hashtag 4 on CMC Definity's newly launched Internet Computer is already making waves in the blockchain world. Internet Computer is a utility token that allows users to participate in and govern the Internet Computer blockchain network. The network aims to help developers create websites, enterprise IT systems, internet services, and DeFi applications by installing their code directly on the public internet. ICP can also be staked or converted into cycles that can be used to power computation for DApps and traditional applications. Following its Friday launch, the Internet Computer token has become the fourth largest cryptocurrency by market cap according to data from CoinMarketCap. As you can see on your screen that it has reached on number 4, which is insane. Now in the current time it has dropped from number 4 to number 8. How did this happen? The project's token named Internet Computer Prize has been launching on number of high-profile cryptocurrency exchange throughout the course of the last week, including OKEx, Huobi Global, Binance, Gate.io, Coinbase, and others. The sudden appearance of the token in such a high place on CoinMarketCap's official ranking has stunned a number of analysts within the blockchain community. However, while the ICP token may have only recently launched, the project has been in the works for 5 years. Developed for Zurich-based non-for-profit organization Definity. It has also attracted several impressive backers, including Andreessen Horowitz and Polychain Capital. According to CoinDesk, the project launched last week with the multiple ecosystem companies, including Enso Finance, a decentralized exchange, District, a professional social network, Fleek infrastructure for decentralized web, and Origin, a provenance platform for luxury goods, among several others. However, the project is pushing back. Dominic Williams said that the Internet Computer is not an Ethereum killer. Other proponents of the network have pointed out that the new blockchain could be used to protect Ethereum. Internet Computer has branded itself as the last original Layer 1 blockchain project is launching revolutionary public network that provides a limitless environment for smart contracts that run at web speed, serve web scale, and reduce compute cost by 1,000,000 times or more. According to the project's website, the Internet Computer aims to extend the functionality of the public internet so that it can host backend software, transforming into a global computing platform. The project claims that the developer can ditch centralized servers and commercial cloud service, instead can use the Internet Computer to create websites, internet services, enterprise IT services, and more. So it's a good use case for this project. So once you reach the number 4 or number 8, there are very low chances of rug pull, and this looks a solid project to me. The Internet Computer's chain key technology. In addition, the project boasts the creation and usage of chain key technology, which is the method by which transactions are confirmed on the network. According to project's website, the technology allows the Internet Computer to finalize transactions that updates smart contract state in 1 to 2 seconds. That's amazing. Moreover, chain key technology allows the Internet Computer to operate within a single public key, which allow any device, including smartwatches and mobile phones, to verify the authenticity of artifacts from the Internet Computer. In other words, the blockchain reportedly has a more scalable method of verifying transactions and digital objects than other blockchain may have. Coinbase has implemented safeguards to ensure a healthy and efficient network both on chain and through their platform. These safeguards include both minimum and maximum amount for each cryptocurrency they allow customers to send through the blockchain. There is a withdrawal minimum of 0.04 and maximum of 4,000 to send from Coinbase to an external address. So in team they got more than 188 members. That's amazing. The industry's most distinguished team of distributed computing engineers, cytographers, and operational experts. This looks quite professional to me. So their team worked from research centers in Zurich, Palo Alto, San Francisco, and Tokyo as a part of remote teams. So they have launched the Internet Computer project by a live stream here, which
our aim is to support the reimagination of all
Internet Computer Genesis. So let's have a look at coin market cap. That what's its price? Its price is $377.12 USD dollar, and it has a gain percentage of 12.55%, and the price is still increasing because people are investing and mad about it. So the total supply is 469 million. The circulating supply is 123 million. So the last 24-hour trading volume is almost 2 million. It's amazing, and it has a gain percentage of 23,641.94%. A fully diluted market cap is 173 billion. That's amazing. And a market cap is 47 billion. So as we can see as a all-time chart here, price was at 0. When it launched, people directly invested in it, and the price goes to $73, $731. Then it have a dip period. It goes to almost $285, and after that they have a little up down here, and then it have a static period. It goes to $400 again, and now we can see at a better view at 1-day chart it's in a dip period because the last price was $700 and now it's in dip. It's almost $371. Here is so 321 live price. So it's going in dip because people are selling the coin because the price goes up. So if you want to invest in it, you can, because it's the best opportunity for you. Holding the rank or number 8 on coin market cap isn't a easy thing because there are a lot of competition in the market. So yeah. So let's have a look at BSC scan report, which is the product of Etherscan. Shows that transfer of 632 have been made on 200 addresses. People are buying it in a large quantity, 20 minutes, 38 minutes, 43 minutes ago, 57 minutes ago. So people are taking a lot of interest in it. So this transaction ID, which hold 99% of the coins, maybe the parent ID who provide coins to the other, so the other contact address beneath him. So let's talk about social media. As you people would know, social media shows that how active a project is, and is it updating and showing some love to their community or not. Starting with their Twitter is named as Dfinity Foundation. It have more than 150 followers, 641 tweets. Their last post was on 1 hour ago, 2 hours ago, which got a lot of likes, people taking interest in it. If you want to stay updated with their Twitter, you can follow them there and know more about this project and airdrops or events if they organize it. They have their own forum where they have provided their source code. You can check it out for yourself. They also have a YouTube channel which got almost 10k subscribers. Their last video was 2 months ago. They did a lot of videos here. They are active on their YouTube. You can follow them and know more about this project, and it's mainly about Dfinity Foundation. So now they have launched their Genesis of Internet Computer, so they would stay updated with that too. They have more than 35,000 members on their Telegram, where you can join and talk with the admins, know more about this project, the current live price, and up and down in the market. You can discuss it with the admins there. They have a Facebook too, where more than 3,000 people follow them. They are updated there too. They have mentioned this video, which was the launch of ICP utility token. They have a Reddit group which you can join with more than 11,000 members. People post here and other people comment here. Moderators and admins clear your doubts. If you want to find anything about this project, you can just post here. People would comment you and clear your doubts. They have a LinkedIn which you can follow, more than 5,000 followers, and they have posted their videos and other stuff on this LinkedIn, on their LinkedIn platform. On their GitHub, their source codes are available to free to watch. You can check it out for yourself. They also have a Medium which have a lot of blogs here, which you can check it out and do some research and clear your technical details here. So they're very active on their social media, as they are a vast and they have a vast majority of platforms and a lot of followers on every platform I have saw, as we have seen now. So as an overview, I would say that this is very solid. This is very solid project because it has blown the chart off, and analysts are very confused about it, how it reached there. So the rug pull chances are very 0% here. So if you want to invest in it, you can. This is the best opportunity for you guys. There are a lot of coins still remaining in the market which you can buy for yourself. So I will leave the website link of Dfinity.organization in the description box, where you can check it out for yourself, do some research. If you want to invest in it, you can. The main market people using for buying this coin is Binance. It's easy. You just have to go to Binance, sign up, and connect your wallet and swap it for ICP and paired it with USDT or any currency you find pleasing. So guys, this was all up for today. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Decremis, where we would find you more hidden gems from the crypto world and bring it to you guys. So if you want to support us, I will leave the Binance Smart Chain wallet link in the description box, where you can send us your token or BUSD to support us. Thank you.